Introduce short features highlight of HP 23.8-inch LED backlit monitor, low blue light, or HP V241ib, color black. With HDMI cable. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Short features highlight include connectivity, 1 port HDMI 1.4, 1 port DisplayPort, 1 port VGA, resolution, 1920x1080, FHD, viewable image area, 23.8-inch diagonally measured, panel type, IPS, aspect ratio, 16:9. Full HD display. Be prepared for brilliant visuals and crisp images with the unforgettable quality of this stunning FHD display. Step up to the best, no matter where you stand, an HP IPS monitor delivers clear, vivid images. IPS technology ensures image accuracy and consistency across the ultra-wide viewing spectrum. Share the panoramic view, vibrant detail from practically any position with consistent color and image clarity maintained across ultra-wide 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angles. HDMI cable included. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Again, if you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.